In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Google form in Squarespace. Whether you're gathering feedback, taking RSVPs, or conducting a survey, embedding a Google form seamlessly into your Squarespace website is a valuable tool to get it all done. We'll start by accessing your Google form. Open Google Forms and navigate to the form you'd like to embed. This is your starting point, where all the magic begins. Once you have your form open, look towards the top right corner where you'll find the More Actions menu, symbolized by 3 vertical dots. Clicking this reveals several options. Among them, Embed HTML, which is exactly what we're looking for, and select Embed HTML and a pop-up window will appear, providing you with the embed code necessary for your Squarespace site. Click on Copy to add this code to your clipboard, the key ingredient in our process. Now hop over to your Squarespace website editor. The goal is to create a neat section for your form, so locate the section where you want it displayed and click on ADD Block. When you add a new block, you'll need to select the Embed option. This option is specifically designed to handle code like the one we just copied. With the Embed block in place, your next step is to click on Edit. This is where you will input the HTML code from Google Form. In the Edit menu, you'll see an option for Code Snippet. That's your target. Click on Code Snippet to open up a space where you can insert custom HTML. This feature is flexible and capable of handling the form's embed code. Once in this menu, find the field labeled Embed Data and click on it. This is the moment we've been building up to. Paste the embed code you copied from your Google form into this section. After pasting your code in the Embed Data field, it's always a good idea to quickly review it to ensure everything looks right. Misplaced code can cause issues, so an extra glance never hurts. Once you're confident it's correct, simply click on Save. This action finalizes everything and solidifies your changes, allowing your Google form to appear on your Squarespace website exactly as you intended. And there you have it, a smooth, straightforward way to integrate Google Forms with Squarespace. From initial access to final save, you've learned how to gather and display information efficiently. With this integration, your website becomes all the more interactive and responsive to your audience's needs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to join us for more tips and tutorials to enhance your online presence.